Little progress report here. Getting down to exposing. Well, it turns out 3 layers of color on there. That I guess what was white, there's kind of some yellow under that, and then under that is the what would have been the darkening of the original varnish or whatever was put on there. Here's your major time consumption. It's how you get all the paint out and all the little cracks and crevices. You got all that right there. It's the same problem. All this has got little holes in it, and slots and decorative things. And therein lies the tedious part of the work. Working up here, this is now the 3rd coat of stripper on this business up here. It's sort of messy, but that's the very nature of it. More at some point in the future.